yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like.
Oh, look, we're so matching.
Hey guys, it's your girl Allie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my photographer friend Aditi. Hi, she's back. So today I thought it'd be really fun to do a styling video where we style 5 different pieces that are super trendy for the winter time and share with you outfits for short girls and tall girls. So I'm 5'3". What about you?
I'm 5'7".
She's obviously the short one.
Comment your height down below. I want to know how tall you guys are too.
If you guys want us to make more styling videos and fashion videos like this, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the little button here or down below. So without further ado, let's get into the outfits.
We are who we are.
As a short girl, I always avoid wearing oversized coats and jackets because I'm afraid it will overwhelm my body. But I found the key is to balance it with proportions and tighter fitting clothes underneath.
Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like.
Common misconceptions is that tall girls can't wear heels, but I say wear what you want, and with confidence you can rock anything.
Yes!
No one's stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are.
I feel like sweater dresses and over-the-knee boots work perfectly together, but when you're short, over-the-knee boots tend to kind of look like thigh-high boots, but my trick here is to just fold it down about an inch or 2 and it'll definitely fit you a lot better.
Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution.
So when I shop for sweater dresses, I like to go one size up just to make sure they're not too short on me. I like to go oversized as well, so that always helps. And if it's a little bit too short still, I put a skirt underneath just to make sure nothing that I don't want showing is showing.
You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly.
To show you guys that as a short girl and tall girl, we can both wear rompers. So this one's super fun and festive with the plaid. I feel like a super cute private school girl. I know Aditi didn't want to wear this one because it gave her PTSD from when she actually went to private school. I mean, raise your hand if you went to public school, couldn't afford it. Since this overall dress is kind of a bit longer, I opted for a pair of high heels just to elongate my legs and make me look taller. I feel like a pair of boots would definitely cut off my legs and it would not look as good as compared to having heels.
Just made me believe in love when you're gone. Forever after. Just made me believe that we'd find someone here in the afterglow. Hold up, I am on. my way, I'm in motion.
As a short girl, I love wearing skirts because it elongates my legs and enhances them and makes them look a lot longer than they actually are.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh.
For DT's outfit, she's wearing these baggy mom jeans, and I think she really pulled it off because she kept it monochromatic and then she added on the pop of print with the cheetah belt. I feel like even though it's baggier, she could definitely pull it off.
It's falling, all the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go! Alright.
Dance, dance,
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
we're gonna dance, dance.
So now I wanted to talk about a few of our struggles of being a tall girl and being a short girl because I'm obviously the tall one.
Totally. Honestly, like for me, when I was like growing up and the tallest one, I was always kind of insecure about being taller than all my guy friends.
Oh.
When I was shopping, it was great because if I wanted to buy a pair of cropped jeans, like when capris were in, I'd just get a pair of pants that didn't fit me and it'd be cute and it's fine. Like, you know, make it work for yourself. Confidence is key.
I always tried to follow those fashion rules and I thought, oh, certain like longer coats or longer like midi dresses never really look good, so I just avoided that whole category of clothing. I feel like jeans are always too long and the tops are oddly like a tunic top on me.
And when I wear crop tops, they're like up to here and like the jeans come up to my calves. It's really great.
But then you do live in LA, so it kind of works
so
out.
It works out, it's okay. Oh, my sleeves are always way too short for me.
Oh.
I always buy a size up so I can like pull them down like this.
Oh, that's smart. I've never thought of doing that. Like, all of my sleeves are just... I don't want my height to hold me back.
Yeah.
So I just try to dress more outside of my comfort zone.
Yeah, me too. And like when it comes to heels and things like that, I always avoid them when I was younger. I didn't want to be taller than my friends because I was already the tall one. But you know, I feel confident in heels, so I just wear them anyways.
Thank you so much for watching again, and be sure to follow Aditi on Instagram. I'll have hers linked down below. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you next time. Bye! Wow, I'm so tall, guys. Why are you so tall?
Really a head taller
What is
than you.
going on? All right, let's see them socks.
Fashion.
Go. No, we have the same size feet, I swear. Wait, there we go. Oh my god, why is your stick so long? Okay, we unintentionally matched today. Okay, I always wear the ugliest socks.
Okay, but do you see my neon one? Pretty.
Classy. Oh no, my scrunchie.